Alright guys, today you already know what it is. It's Aaron Barbie here with the Miracle System, and I'm doing a training on mentorships, because a lot of people, they don't understand. Number one, you need a mentor in your life. Okay, you can't do this all by yourself. Stop trying. It ain't gonna work out. Otherwise, God would have only created one man, and he would have just left Eve as a thought in the wind, baby. Okay, we gotta network, because the more you network, the more your net worth. Okay, so network till your neck hurt. You understand? But you need a mentor. All right, stop bullying yourself. Okay, you're working too hard and you're going crazy. So today we're gonna talk about Facebook mentorship program. How delicious is it, guys and girls? It's chocolatey. You understand? If anybody is allergic to chocolate out there, what can I say, man? It's the sweetest thing on earth. What are you missing? All right, just take some Benadryl. Come on, do it one time. Live on the wild side. Listen, okay. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how we're using the mentorship by training the team. Okay, we have a management team, and we're going to be utilizing the mentorship software inside of our Facebook groups. Now, we have a couple of Facebook groups. Okay, this one is a specialized training Facebook group, and then this is the public group leading into that. Okay, so you can see here inside this Facebook group, okay, we have almost 6,000 people. All right, and this is leading people. We're not going to talk about funnels and all that type of stuff, but this is leading people, okay, into our main training group. All right, and the way that we're using the mentorship, all right, units is a whole nother thing, man. If you guys aren't using that, I have no idea what you're thinking about. But inside the mentorship program, the way that we're doing it, okay, this is how we're doing it. So we got it set up that our miracle system, okay, our miracle system mentors are the mentors, and they're helping new people who come in. Some people, they don't know how they get into Facebook groups. Some people, they ask for information on other people's advertising posts, and they just like get LinkedIn or get added, and they're just like, wait, what happened? And so we have the mentorship here so that people can have the right flow, or when people are being welcomed in, okay, we can contact them and make sure they know exactly how to get started, and we can figure out, hey, what is your issues? Okay, not only that, ladies and gentlemen, the mentorship program, depending on which type that you choose, okay, will give you like 6 to 8 weeks of automatic follow-up through Messenger. That's huge. If you guys are not using the mentorship program, hey, shame on you. All right, Facebook is doing this for a reason. Leverage it, baby. All right, leverage it. And so we have 7 weeks of contacting each and every individual, automatic following up, okay, and that builds rapport, that builds relationships. That's one of the things that most professionals, most successful professionals will tell you. The fortune is in the follow-up, and since a lot of people, they kind of get lost in the weeds in the messenger, okay, this gives you weekly updates, and it asks you like specific questions. It's kind of like acting as a medium, okay, in between you and the other person, like literally pulling you guys together and saying, hey, I'm the reporter. All right, now let's make it happen. So a lot of people, they can, get a little, I don't want to talk to people, I don't know how to do it. Okay, and this right here will help break all the ice and give you structure into how your conversations will flow, and you guys can flourish and grow from there. Okay, and so what we're having our people do is, as soon as they come in, our mentors are contacting them, helping them get started, okay, and they're mentoring them all the way through into our secret training group, okay, and this is where they're going to be getting the goods. Now, we do have our own system, Miracle System, where people can actually log in and they have their own virtual office. Okay, but this is actually where we started at before we even had a system. We were literally building our business straight through Facebook, and you could do that, guys. You didn't know you could do that? Oh my God, come on, man. Grow up, man. So, it's really, really important. Now, inside of the actual training group, the people who join up inside the Miracle System, okay, as they're showing their friends and partners, okay, how we're doing our system and how it can benefit them, and they bring them in here. Now they become the mentors for them, and that helps build that rapport in between those two successful business partners. Okay, so it's just a little bit of the trick of the trades on utilizing the mentorship. There's many different ways that you can use it. Okay, but you definitely, for the first time, when you click on it, let me go here real quick, and we had just set this up. We just set this up literally like yesterday. Okay, so a lot of people don't even know the updates. That's why I'm kind of making this video. You understand? All right, so I am going to put this on YouTube, and I am going to put this inside of the group so that people can see what they have to do. But it's real simple. When you first go through this, you need to say, you need to read how it works. Okay, so you're going to create a profile, say a bit about yourself and what you're looking for support with, or how you might be able to support someone else. So they're telling you if you're a mentor or you're looking for a mentor, this is what you need to do. Okay, and then you're gonna find a partner so you can actually browse through the profiles and find out, if depending on how you have your group set up. Like I said, there's many different ways to use this. They're just giving you a global blueprint on how to use this. If you have a mentorship program in your group, you can kind of look through and see, maybe somebody might have, maybe somebody might do digital art or videography or ballet lessons or cook vegan food, and they got all the recipes and this. So you can look through that group and say, hey, I want to go with that person. They seem like they got it. And so that's why I teach my people, hey, when you do this, you're really branding yourself and you're putting yourself out there, and this is what you want to do, this is what you want to say. Okay, so definitely go through how it works so you can kind of see, get a mental vision of how you might want to use it, and you might change the structuring a few times. Like, you could do that. Okay, so our program type here in this one is skill development, so that one's 8 weeks, longer than the first one, right? If you don't like the way that the questions are built into that, hopefully later they allow us to manipulate the questions a little bit and utilize our own stuff. But for right now, I love it. You'll go to switch category, and you can switch the category that best fits your group type, okay, and your flow. All right, but you'll see that to get it started, you know what I mean, discuss mentorship goals and get helpful messenger prompts that encourage you to make progress together. It's week by week, guys. That is great follow-up. 8 weeks of follow-up, that's 2 months. That's 2 months of following up. Everybody knows if you're in business, it takes like 3 to 7 touches before a person can actually make a final decision on whether they want to buy your product, your service, or be your business partner, or whatever it might be. Okay, whatever you do, and that's why people have conversion funnels and autoresponders, so they're constantly sending emails, right? Maybe value, attraction marketing, whatever they're doing, okay, and they're sending emails to those people because the people are getting those emails and reading them, and you're actually touching them without even touching them on autopilot, okay? And that works, and bringing them back and getting your services, okay? So a really, really powerful program here, okay, that Facebook has added. I love it. I have no problems with it at all. I think it was brilliant. It's extremely spot on, and if you utilize it correctly, you can really grow. You can really grow your community out. with a strong base as a structure. Okay, but apart from all of that, go through the frequently asked questions. I'm not going to go through them all. You guys can do that on your own time. Go through them. Wherever there's a fact, guys, go through it. Stop skipping stuff. You don't know what's going on. Okay, you're skipping everything, and then you go and you ask people questions, and you're wasting everybody's time. Okay, so go through the frequently asked questions. It's good stuff there. It's good to just know all about it. Just get all the knowledge that you possibly can. Okay, so next time you build your community group on Facebook, make sure you choose a group that actually has the mentorship. And if it doesn't, you can literally click on the more button here and go to edit group settings and just play around with the different group types until you see one that fits your flow and the way that you're constructing your enterprise here on Facebook, and see if it has the mentorship program embedded inside that, because not all of the group types have mentorship as a option. Maybe in the future they might change that, maybe not. Until then, guys, stay in peace, not in pieces. You all know what to do. Go to the mentorship tab. If you're on the phone, you're gonna have to swipe to the left, baby. All right, swipe to the left. Hopefully it's kind of in the front, so you're not swiping too much. You click on that mentorship program, okay, and then you'll be able to create your own profile. As soon as you click here, it's going to run you through the steps. I've already gone through the steps, so I don't actually need to go through them right now. But when you click on that, you're probably not going to see all of these insights unless you're an admin, okay? But if you're a regular normal user in the community, okay, it will run you through the steps. It will say, hey, create your mentorship program, and it'll say, hey, you want to look for a mentor, fill this out, okay? So just follow the steps, do the best that you can. If you ever need to change anything, you just go to your mentorship profile and click this button, and you can edit both options, okay? Being a mentor, yeah, and getting mentored, okay? You'll be able to edit both of those options. You can make two profiles here, one as a mentor and one as a person who needs and is seeking mentorship, okay? So take it away, guys. It's real easy to set up. Just run through it, read real quick. It's not difficult, it's not hard, and it is a strong community building tool. I highly recommend. If you have a community on Facebook, you got to use it. If you can use it, do it, set it up, make your videos if you need to, showing people how to do it, okay, and just do it. Just get it over with, all right? Because it's a lifesaver, okay? When you're talking about auto responding to people through Messenger, it's not like this bot that is just trying to sell you stuff or just get you to like do stuff. It's actually pulling you guys together and building that relationship, making it easier for you to build that relationship. Okay, it's kind of like Facebook saying, hey, this is my friend Bill, and Bill, this is my friend Ted, kiss. Don't kiss, but I'm just saying, you know what I mean, all right? Hey, like I said, guys, stay in peace, not in pieces. Get your mentorship on, man. It's Aaron Barbie with the Miracle System, and we're showing people a whole lot of funny tricks and tips on social media and how to convert their leads, get more leads, and do a whole lot of other freaky things, okay? Facebook is free to play, but you can't pay to win. That video is coming up soon, ladies and gentlemen. So, hey, if you like what you've seen and you want to know more about what's going on, I do have a very special group here that I will be unlocking soon. Right now, we're building out a lot of material, and we want to show people how to professionally market themselves online, any business, any hobby, anything that you have. Okay, there's people looking out for mentors and masters, and you got the goods, and you're not anywhere to be found. Okay, so we're gonna help you get found. We have the free training here, and we're gonna help you guys eliminate all that stress and worry from being fearful of doing the things that you love and getting paid to do it. simply because you don't know how to do it. So we're going to help you guys do that. And if you need some special assistance, we also have the Merge Social Media System fan page here, where we're going to be doing special live videos only there on selective training that we have through our courses. Okay, that costs like $5,000, $2,000. All right, so we know people don't really have that, but we can help you guys get to that. And if you believe in yourself, you can make it happen. All right, so come on over. I'm gonna open this up. If this isn't open by the time you reach this video, make sure you comment on the video section below. Yo, open up the Miracle Solutions online secret group. I need in, son. All right. I love you guys, man. I'll see you guys on the flip side.